all of my YouTube fam as well as my pre-healthcare professionals alike. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be discussing something that's not only important in healthcare in regards to understanding how different anatomical processes work in the body, but also important on the ATI TEAS, and that is anatomical terms. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and better yet, hit that bell notification. It lets you know when I post new content here on YouTube. And give this video a big thumbs up. That way other people that are looking for the ATI TEAS review videos know that this is a good video to help you pass it like a boss. Let's get started. The ATI TEAS will cover a lot of anatomical terms on the exam. So here are some of the commonly used anatomical terms that you may see. Anterior means the front or the front of. Ventral refers specifically to the front of the body. For example, the kneecap is located on the anterior side of the leg. Posterior means the back or the back of. Dorsal specifically means the back of the body. For example, the shoulder blades are located on the posterior side of the body. Medial means closer to the center of the body. For example, the middle toe is located on the medial side of the foot. Lateral means the furthest away from the center of the body. For example, the little toe is located on the lateral side of the foot. Proximal means closer to the origin of a limb or attachment point. For example, the proximal end of the femur joins with the pelvic bone. Distal means the origin of the limb or attachment point. For example, the hand is located at the distal end of the forearm. Superior means above or higher up. For example, the neck is located superior to the waist. Inferior means below or lower down. For example, the ankle is located inferior to the waist. Lastly, we're going to be discussing body planes. Sagittal means the plane that divides the body vertically from right to left. Transverse means the plane that divides the body horizontally from top to bottom. Frontal means the plane that divides the body vertically from front to back. This can also be called coronal. I hope that this video has helped for you to pass your ATI TEAS like a boss the first time. If you haven't done so already, I want to invite you over to my website at www.nursecheung.com. There's additional resources for you to help you pass this exam. We've got practice questions as well as PDFs of the PowerPoints that I show in these videos. If you haven't done so, make sure that you follow me on my social media. I am on Facebook and Instagram. And until next time, I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!